I'm Tony Amaradio, and my goal is to provide information to help you in the areas of philanthropy and stewardship. One of the excellent tools that are available under the charitable plan section of the code is called a Charitable Remainder Unity Trust, commonly referred to as a CRT. This trust has excellent application for a person that may want to sell an asset that has excessive capital gains. And to avoid the capital gains tax, if the property is transferred in the trust and then sold, the capital gains is completely eliminated. In addition, there's a significant tax deduction on the front end. That tax deduction can be used to offset not only current income taxes, but can be carried forward for 5 future years for a total of 6 years. It also provides an excellent stream of income for the person that donated to the charitable trust. So for example, if you and your spouse would like to create a stream of income throughout your life, sell a property, avoid the capital gains, provide significant tax benefits while you're living, and then at the end of your life, the second death for husband and wife, the remainder must go to charities. Feel free to share this video and keep learning how to be faithful with your finances.